Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the feet pose. You might be wondering what exactly the feet pose is and why it's become such a popular trend in the world of fashion and photography. What exactly is the pose? Well, it's a unique and stylish photography technique that has taken the world by storm. This mesmerizing pose typically shows a person lying on their belly with their feet up in the air. Photographers and models love the pose for its ability to create captivating and visually stunning images. The focus is on the mesmerizing view of the feet and the intriguing perspective it offers. This pose has become a favorite in the world of fashion and photography, often used to showcase footwear, hosiery, or foot care products. In today's age of social media and content creation, the pose has gained immense popularity as individuals seek to capture stunning images for personal expression, artistic exploration, or to share their fashion inspirations. This captivating phenomenon has become a viral sensation, captivating the attention of countless viewers and igniting the creativity of photographers and models worldwide. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you'd like to explore next.